Hello friends, I am Deepa Jain and welcome to Shastik coaching classes. Today I am discussing about number system. The first topic that I am discussing is Indian number system and international number system. As we know, the value of any number depends upon its place value. When we move ones to 10 place, we have multiplied it by 10. When we move tens to 100 place, again we have multiplied it by 10. When we move 100 to 1000 place, again we have multiplied it by 10. We move right to left places. For example, I am taking a one digit number 6. Here 6 placed at ones place. To move 6 at tens place, 6 multiplied by 10 and 6 moves at tens place and it becomes 60. To move 6 at 100 place, 60 multiplied by 10 and 6 moves at 100 place, it becomes 600. When 600 multiplied by 10, 6 moves at 6000 place and it becomes 6000. When 6000 multiplied by 10, 6 moves at 10,000 place and it becomes 60,000. When 60,000 multiplied by 10, 6 moves at lakhs place and it becomes 6 lakh. What is largest 3-digit number? It is 999. To find the successor of 999, we add 1 in 999 and we get 1000. Here 1 at 1000 place, ones, tens, 100,000. Because 1 at 1000 place, it becomes 1000 and it is smallest 4-digit number. Look at these two numbers. First number is 456123. Second number is 875432. Is both number are same? No, both are different because value of number depends on the place value of digit. This is a place value chart for 4-digit number. I am taking a number 1489. 1 at 1000 place, 4 at 100 place, 8 at tens place, 9 at ones place. Because 1 at 1000 place, we write 1000, 4 at 100 place, so we write 400, 8 at tens place, 9 at ones place, so 89. Look at this table. This is the table for Indian number system. In Indian number system, the number divided into 4 groups. First group is group of 100, second is group of 1000, third is group of lakh and fourth is group of crore. Group of 100 contain 3 digits, group of 1000 contain 2 digits, group of lakh contain 2 digits and group of crore contain 2 digits. Group of 100 contain ones, tens and 100. 1000 contain 1000 and 10,000 and lakh contain 1 lakh and 10 lakh. Crore contain 1 crore and 10 crore. It contains the group of 3, group of 2, group of 2, 2. We can say group of 3, 2, 2, 2 from right to left. For example, I am taking a number 9812345556. We move right to left. First is group of 3, so we place a comma after 3 digits. Second is group of 2, so place the comma after 2 digits. Next one is group of 2, place the comma after 2 digits. Because 98 belongs to crore group, so we write 98 crore. 12 belongs to lakh group, so we write 12 lakh. 34 belongs to 1000 group, so we write 34,000. 556 belongs to 100 group, so we write 556. Let's take another example. 65843971. First is the group of 3, so place a comma after 3 digits. Second is group of 2, place a comma after 2 digits. Next is the group of 2, so place a comma after 2 digits. Because 6 belongs to crore group, so write 6 crore. 58 belongs to lakh group, so write 58 lakh. 43 belongs to 1000 group, so write 43,000. And 97 belongs to 100 group, so write 971. Earlier we learned about Indian number system. Look at this table. This is the table of international number system. In Indian number system, there are 4 groups, but in international number system, there are 3 groups. First is group of 100, second is group of 1000, third is group of million. And each group contain 3 digits. Group of 100 contain ones, tens, hundred. Group of 1000 contain 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Group of million contain 1 million, 10 million, 100 million. For example, 65843971. First is the group of 3, so place comma after 3 digits. Second is group of 3, place comma after 3 digits. Because 65 belongs to million group, write 65 million. 843 belongs to 1000 group, so write 843,097 belongs to 100 group, so write 971. Let's take another example. 9, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6. First is the group of 3, so place comma after 3 digits. Second is group of 3, second comma place after 3 digits. 981 belongs to million group, so we write 981 million. 234 belongs to 1000 group, so we write 234,000. 556 belongs to 100 group, so we write 556. Now what is the similarity and difference between Indian number system? Look at this table. This is for this line for Indian number system and this is for international number system. First one is ones in both group. Second one is 10 in both group. Third one is 100 in both group. Fourth one is 1000 in both system. And fifth one is 10,000 in both system. In short, we can say up to 5 digits both number system are same. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. After that, in Indian number system, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. But in international system, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Look, for example, 1 followed by 4 zeros. 10,000 in Indian number system. And it is in international number system also 10,000. 1 followed by 5 zeros, 1 lakh in Indian number system, but 100,000 in international system. 1 followed by 6 zeros, 10 lakh in Indian number system, 1 million in international system. 1 followed by 7 zero, 1 crore in Indian number system, but 10 million in international number system. 1 followed by 8 zero, 10 crore in Indian number system, but is it equal to 100 million in international number system. In short, we can say up to 5 digits both Indian and internal number system are same. I think I clear your concept about number system. Thank you so much. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you.